welcome back. This is ApeFX. Like you already know, today is 3rd of August 2026 and we are back to the chart because today is Monday. What's the time? Time is 6:43. Yes. So today I am at the 30-minute time frame, and from the 30-minute time frame it's obvious for the blind to even see that we are on an uptrend, because from here we're previously on a downtrend where we have a break of structure downward, and this lower high failed to make a lower low and make a higher low. Then we have a higher high, then a lower high, a higher high, and the last low before the recent break of structure. This break of structure happened last Friday, so from there it is obvious that we are uptrend, and all I care about today is to buy. Why? Because I have the last break of structure here, and the last low before that break of structure is here. And where is the high now? This is the recent high. So let me delete this off. So I have this area to play around with, because anything that makes the price to come here now and break this low, that is obvious that the character have changed and we'll be looking to sell Euro USD. So for now, my bias is bullish. So after that, the next thing is for me to look for my point of interest. Where am I willing to take that trade? Because knowing the bias or the direction that the market will trade to today is not enough if you don't know where it is going to trade from. And where I used to mark my point of interest is an area where I can find an imbalance, just like this. We all know what is imbalance or fair value gap. Fair value gap is a formation of 3 candles, like 1, 2, 3, and the third and the first candle fail, or the wick fail to meet each other. So this area now is a fair value gap. This area too is a fair value gap, but the price starts from here that lead to break of structure. And before the fair value gap, the last block before the fair value gap is my point of interest. So I'll mark this as my order block, or take the whole wick or the whole low as my point of interest. Let me do this. So for today, my bias is bullish, and I'm seeing nothing else but to look for a way to buy. But before then, we will have to be patient enough for the market to make its way back to this place. Then we look for a change of character and we buy. It's just as simple as this. This is how I caught like 2 wins last week, 1 break even, and I took 1 loss, and that is Friday. Even that Friday, so I realized I'm not going to trade on Friday, because I've been making some. Most of my losses came during Fridays, and it should be out of FOMO, or maybe I still want to make or take a trade before the weekend. So for that, I'll consider that Friday not to be taking trades again. But for today, Monday, this is what we're looking at. Let me do this. So thank you very much. So I'll set my alarm around here, and let me get notified if the price comes to my point of interest. It's the end of the day, and I was unable to catch trade today. So because we have a very slow price action today, so tomorrow by Tuesday, we'll see if you can get into the trade. But for now, we sit on our hand. Good morning. We are back on the chart again, and the analysis still remains the same. We're still waiting for the price to get to this POI, final confirmation that we take the trade. What we are looking for today is buy. As this week starts, we are looking for a buy. Now I can see I have a range liquidity around here. So I'm expecting the price to clear down here to my POI. Look for a valid confirmation and took a buy. That's that for today. So anyhow it is, still keep everyone updated. This is 6:05 and unfortunately there's no setup for me to take today because since yesterday the price have been raging around this area. This is the liquidity. I'm waiting for the price to take to my point of entry. Give me a confirmation before I take the buy. But it's Monday and today is Tuesday. It has been ranging around here. So tomorrow we'll come back again because I don't trade outside. Even if I won't see confirmation now, I won't be able to take the trade. I don't trade outside the first 3 hours of New York session. Thank you. Peace. Good morning. I don't know if you can hear me clearly because it is raining here and here is so noisy. Today is Wednesday and the time is 7:17 a.m. So we already know that the price is bullish on a 15-minute or 30-minute time frame. After looking this series of higher high, higher low, higher high, higher low up here before we get to this point and the price started reversing. So the chart still remains the same. From this break of structure, the price pulled back here, and I was expecting the price to get here, give me a confirmation, then I will buy. The overall trend here or intention of buyers today is still bullish. Yes, because the last break of structure made a higher high. So, but the price is not coming to our point of interest, or maybe it's creating more liquidity right here before it clear its back here to this point of interest. So what I'm anticipating today is a pullback to this point of interest. Give me a confirmation and I'll buy, or a beautiful change of character here with an aggressive move to the downside after sweeping the liquidity. I see the price of buy or the sell order here and buy or the sell order here too. So if the price can sweep, can even sweep the Asian high. Let's check. Okay, this is the Asian high. So if the price can sweep this high and give me a beautiful change of character, I have no option but to position for a sell, maybe a short-term sell down here, or we still wait for our initial analysis. Welcome back. This is 550. Come on. The price have been so slow this week for Euro USD, and there's no significant movement because price have been ranging from here since on Monday. Okay, it's when just like 3 days. 3 days the price have been ranging in one place, and just this evening, or let's say just today, I see the price heading towards the high, thinking to break the high and make a new high. And when it get to this point, it starts ranging again. So finger crossed, and we still wait for that quality setup. That's all about trading. Good morning, it's Thursday and we are back to the chart. Actually, I don't know what the price is doing for this week. I think it's a ranging week because this movement have really say nothing about the market. It's not giving any confirmation, but I can say a candle close up here. This happened around 6:30 or 7 o'clock p.m. last night, but it is not enough because if this a real break of structure, the momentum should be going further, but it comes back in and starts ranging again. I still have this area as my point of interest, that if the price come here and give me a confirmation, I'll stay buy, or I'm expecting an aggressive move downward to take this low. If I have that, I will understand, or maybe I will take it as an internal change of character, and I'll be looking for a sell around recent supply area. So that's what I'm still seeing. So for the whole of this week, there is no setup, and we are cool with that. Thank you. Simple like. Welcome back. The time is 4:03. The first 3 hours of the New York session is off, and the price action still remain the same. Actually, I see this trend line liquidity. I was hoping that the price will still like take it to this point of interest, give a confirmation, then I still buy. But I came to realize that tomorrow being Friday, or the first Friday of the month as NFP, so NFP news is coming tomorrow. Maybe that's why from Monday till now the price has been ranging around here. By tomorrow 1:30 W80, NFP will like justify the movement of Euro USD or any USD pair. Finger crossed. I will still have to wait and see what tomorrow has to offer, or probably this whole week there is no setup to take. So let's start for that. Good morning, welcome back. Today is Friday. We are back on the chart. As you can see, the whole week has been so ranging. Monday starts from here, and today is Friday. We have all this price action during the week, and it is not interesting at all. So yesterday I saw this trend line liquidity, which I was expecting the price to like take down here to a point of interest, and this liquidity also, because this fair value gap still remain intact, that have not been mitigated. So today I wake up to this price action, and as you can see, I'm seeing Asia liquidity right here, and this liquidity too right here. So honestly, sometimes the price will not come to this point of interest before it continues, but the trading plan remains the same. If the price did not come to this point of interest before it gives a confirmation and go, fine, because today is Friday and NFP is coming up by 1:30 p.m. W80. So for that, I am not interested in trading today, because most of my losing trades comes during Fridays. Yes, it comes during Fridays. So I have also told myself that I am not going to be trading on Fridays, not even for the whole week that the price has been ranging and NFP is available today. So we're just going to watch the price do what it is today, and probably, or by good grace, on Monday by next week we continue. But still I'll still update everyone before today ends up. Thank you. Coming back to this price action, what is the time? The time is 10:56. Time is 10:56. So coming back to this price action, I saw this point of interest. If I should zoom clearly, I see this point of interest, and if I go to 1 minute time frame, I see all this Asian liquidity being taken out here to that point of interest. So, and the price have been making a series of higher high, higher low, higher high. So if I have a change of character here on the 1 minute time frame, I'll be comfortable enough to take that trade to this Asian low liquidity here, or this liquidity down here. Let me go to 5 minutes. So I'll take the trade down here or to this place. That is if I have a change of character here right now. So that's what I'm looking at today or presently. So if all of those things can happen before the NFP, fine. That will give me a green flag to like take the trade. Just like I've said, the recent point of interest that I mark around here on the 30-minute time frame, the price I've gotten to it, which I said if I see a change of character on the 1 minute, I'll be taking a short position. But for now, this is 117, and the price have given me a change of character on the 1 minute here, but I am not interested on taking this trade. Just few minutes to NFP. Let's see what NFP got to do, and maybe by next week we feast again. We all see what happened during the NFP news. Like boom, 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 the price shoot up and it breaks the previous high, creating a higher high. So I think I'll be able to like make a video before this time. As of now that I'm recording this video is 7 p.m. so don't mind my camera. So it's the end of the week and we are not able to like take any trade because there is no setup, no entry. That is just it. So by next week we feast, and I'll still document everything here on my YouTube channel. Please, if you are just meeting me for the first time, or if you have not subscribed to this channel, please do so. Subscribe, hit the like button and share with others so that anytime we post here, you'll be able to like see how we take this journey from 0 to 100.